Today I will answer 5 important questions about electric transformer oil. Let's get started. Question number 1. Why is transformer oil important? When current passes through a conductor, it produces heat. This is very normal due to the conductor resistance. In fact, this heat is losses. Electric transformers are not an exception. The current passing through the windings produces heat, causing the transformer temperature to rise. Another source of heat in the transformers is the iron core. Keeping this temperature rise within safe limits is essential. This is the first reason to use transformer oil. The second reason is isolation. Oil plays an important role to increase the isolation between the windings and the core. Oil dielectric strength is greater than the air dielectric strength. Oil dielectric strength is 80 kV per centimeter, while for air is 30 kV per centimeter. This high value of dielectric strength decreases the overall size of the transformer. This means that an oil-immersed transformer is lesser in size than a dry-type transformer of the same power ratings and voltage level. Transformer oil has some other important jobs. Let's list all of them. 1. Cooling down the transformer. 2. Increasing the isolation between windings and core. 3. Protecting metallic parts inside the transformer from oxidation. 4. Decreasing the overall transformer size. 5. Helps in faults detection by making oil analysis. Question number 2. When should I change the transformer oil? You will need to replace the transformer oil in the following cases. If the breakdown voltage test is very low. If the oil analysis shows high value of moisture in the oil. If the transformer has internal short circuit. If the oil viscosity changed to a very high or low value. If the oil properties change, it will not do what it expected to do, isolation and cooling. It's important to make oil analysis periodically, especially if a temperature rise of the transformer is detected. In my workplace, we noticed that one power transformer temperature rise is abnormal. A good oil analysis showed us that the oil is very wet. We used oil filtration machine to enhance the oil properties. Then we made a dielectric voltage test to make sure the oil is good for the transformer. Question number 3. What are the transformer oil leaks reasons? When you find the transformer body oily, you should inspect it for any oil leakage. Some oil leakage reasons are transformer installation. In many cases, the oil on the body of the transformer is not a leakage, it's only a spillage during the installation process. Transportation. This is another reason of leakage. So, it's recommended not to transport transformers filled with oil. Rubber seals damage. We see this leakage in aged transformers. The old rubber seals get damaged due to heat and cold conditions. Oil sampling valve leakage. This is a very common leakage source. Always check it regularly. Question number 4. What happens when a transformer leaks oil? As I mentioned before, the main job of the transformer oil is cooling and isolation. If the oil leaks, and the oil level become very low, the cooling efficiency will decrease. And the transformer temperature increases. In some serious cases, the transformer oil in the tank reaches to level 0. In this case, the transformer will not cool down and may burn out. Question number 5. How to detect transformer oil leak? Visual inspection is the way to detect the oil leakage. It's that easy. Visual check the transformer body. If you find it oily, check the oil source. Make sure the oil leakage is not old, and it's still happening. You can do so by cleaning the oil on the body, letting the transformer for 24 hours, and check again for any oil. If there is no oil, this means the oil eye on the body may be caused during the transportation and installation. Check the oil level to make sure it's not very low. If you find the video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and activate the bell icon, so that you won't miss any of my future videos.